small cap screw. Remove the radiator cap. Locate the coolant drain bolt. It is the one with the triangle mark in the water pump cover. Place a bucket or a basin to catch the old coolant that you will drain out. Remove the drain bolt and let the old coolant drain completely. In my case, the old coolant is just plain tap water. The drain bolt has a copper sealing washer. The service manual wants us to install new replacement washer every time we change the coolant. But I have reused this old washer several times and there was no leak. So I just put it back and tighten the bolt. If it ever leak in that spot, then I'll just get a new washer. Fill the radiator with coolant through the filler opening. The coolant that I bought is pre-mixed. Some coolant will require mixing with distilled water, so check what you have. Start the engine and let it idle for 2 to 3 minutes. We want to bleed the air out of the system. Watch closely as the level of coolant recedes as some of the air got expelled. You will have to add more coolant several times. Snap the throttle 3 to 4 times to completely bleed all the air out. Stop the engine, install the radiator cap, and tighten the cap screw. Remove the reserve tank cap and fill it with coolant to the upper level line. I filled more than the upper level line, but that won't hurt. Then reinstall the reserve tank cap. And that's it. Very easy and anyone can do it. I don't even have to remove the plastics like others would do. Hope you learned something and enjoy this short video. Thanks for watching.